Alright, let me try to hold, see how you holding. Let me try to back it up. I don't know if it's in the camera. There we go. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, this is a little too much. Not gonna happen.
And it's Rocket Man! Oh my lord, what are the chances?
What's up, y'all? This is Rocket Rider 510, and it's 510 on 510 again. Oh, that tickled me for real. My dude Viper yesterday reminded me, he's like, tomorrow is 5:10. Because every once in a while he'll hit me up and fucking text me at 5:10 p.m. So yeah, we both get a little giggle out of that. And so yeah, your boy had to come on here and come vlog. I wasn't even really planning on vlogging today. And again, y'all see it's windy as hell. So what I'm gonna do a little brief wind test with my Air 2S. See if it can handle these winds. It's about 17 miles an hour on the ground right now, and at 100 feet it's gusting to 29 or 30 miles an hour. So let me hurry up and do this real quick because it's chilly as hell. Let's see how it goes. All right, here we go. First, let me check the wind, just to show you guys what I'm dealing with. See, and they saying not good to fly because you got gust of 29. Let me try to update him. Yeah. So we gonna test him. We got some red on the screen. So let's see how he looking. I ain't gonna take too long, and I ain't gonna do too much. Like I'm saying, I'm just gonna go up a little bit, see how he hover. Then maybe I don't even know how much I'm gonna fly because I ain't trying to lose my shit. Matter of fact, let me put him on the ground. There we go. Whoa, let's push him back. Matter of fact, let me see, I gotta put him in sport mode. Look at that. No, it's most definitely blowing him around a lot. Alright, let me try to hold, see how he holding. Let me try to back it up. I don't know if it's in the camera. There we go. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, this is a little too much. Not gonna happen. See how he looking right there. It'll probably blow this way. Trying to do a little control just to get him on the camera with those little tight spots. This is rough. Y'all saw that. Let me get my focus here. Are we still on focus? Yeah, this is pretty rough. Let me see if I can get him over here and get him on camera right now. See what we looking like. Oh, hell no. All right, that ain't gonna work. Let me go try to take a short little flight. Oh yeah, he's having problems. Well, gimbal looking nice, but I'm not getting a high wind warning or nothing. I ain't gonna do too much, like I'm saying. Let's turn around, because I'm gonna get away from the trees. Get away from the trees. Shit, yeah, this is hella windy. This is crazy. It's handling it though. Let's see how you hover right there. That's me right there. It's blowing him around. Let me see. Oh, he's looking good so far. Who's now? Oh. How you doing? It's looking good up there. We're at 50 feet. Let's go up a little bit. See how that background looking. So it's holding a little bit. I mean, it's holding right there, but as you saw when I was down here on the ground level, it was blowing me around. Let me see if I can rotate and get a nice little view here. Whoa, that broke up right there. Oh, that's pushing him all around. See how far we can go down. I mean, it's flying with no problem. Getting some nice speed. Let me max him out. I ain't gonna do too much like I'm saying. Yeah, it's hella blowing me that way. Oh, I'm tripping. I am behind these trees. Yeah, they saying strong wind. Go home. You ain't gotta tell me twice. Look at that. Pushing me all over the trees. Let me come down. I was up at like 75 feet. There we go. It's like I'm looking right in the sun. I don't want to go nowhere near them trees. Alright. Yeah, this thing's getting blue all around. See how we looking. Whoa. Alright, let me quit fucking around. Like I said, it ain't too bad. But yeah, when you try to hover like right here, see how you holding. Let me come over here. See, he's all linked to the angle. He's fighting that wind. He's handling it though. I'm not even in sport mode. I'm in normal mode too right now. So yeah, that ain't bad. See, I'm gonna go up a little bit. See how we looking. Alright, let me quit fucking around. I'm gonna come back down. It's getting even more windy. It's making my eyes water. Just get in there. It's gonna be hard to land. I'm gonna have to land on that grass because I ain't gonna get no precision landing right now. Yeah, this is rough. Look, they even telling you to fly cautiously. Let me just land right here. Look at that. It's blowing all around. Damn. That was rough. Woo! All right, well, that's it for now. I just wanted to do my little quick wind test and really, y'all know if you watch my old videos, starting off season 3, I lost my Mavic Mini in the wind. So for me, this is definitely getting back on the horse to come out here in some crazy winds like this because it's even worse than it was that day. So the Air 2S definitely proved itself, showing it can handle some pretty decent winds. And really, like I'm saying, it was flying with no problem. So that's about it for this one. I'm gonna get up out of here. It's cold as hell. So if you're new to the channel and you're into drones, you just want to see how your boy progressed through this Air 2S life, y'all hit the subscribe button. And for the rest of my YouTube focalizations, y'all hit the thumb nuts. All right, this is Rocket Rider 510. Flying this drone on 510 again. And I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out. Urge.